Hey guys, so this is how much I have done. I think I started my hair on Monday. Today's Saturday. And on Monday, I think I only did the back, like 3 locks in the back. And Tuesday, ooh, look at that. And then Tuesday, I did the rest of the back. So I've been working really slowly. Today is the day I've gotten most of, the most done at one time. So it's taken about, like I literally timed it last night. It takes about between 25 and 50 minutes for one. So that was fun. I think the ones in the center, the dead center, take the longest because of the way I'm angled. But yeah, so this is how much I've gotten so far. I retained so much length in the past 8 months. My locks would have been 9 months on the 7th of April. So it's about 8.5 months in when I started taking these down. So let me just take them to twist so I can see my hair. And I'm definitely gonna need a trim before I start my micro locks. I think I'm on the 4th or 5th row so far. And all this I have to do, but this is how much I've gotten done so far. I haven't even finished one, or like this whole row yet. I still have like at least 5. Let me see. It's 2 here. And then, yeah, I have 5 left, which I can probably do tonight. Today is Saturday the 28th. I'll put the actual date on the screen because I don't even know what day it is with this whole quarantine thing. But like, it's still really full. It's very soft. I'll show you my hand length. So this part of my hair is shorter. I was combing my, picking kind of my locks out with water and conditioner mix at first. So here it is. And the conditioner I've been using is this. So that's what I was doing at first for the bottom. I noticed I was ripping a lot of hair out, unnecessary amounts of hair. This is how much, let me just show you. That's how much I've gotten, how much hair has come out for the amount I've done. I don't know how many I've done. This is a tool I've been using to pick out my locks. This is the, like a crochet tool. And here's the, it's a 6.6 millimeter crochet hook. I wasn't using this at first for the bottom. That's probably why my hair was ripping out so bad. I was using these two. And see how much thicker the point is, like compared to this. So I was trying to get this through my smaller lock, and it was just ripping a lot more hair. So this is like not ripping as much hair out at all. Okay, so it is day 6 of me taking out my locks. My boyfriend helped me today, which is why I got done really quick this time. I'm gonna finish a row, another row. And then I washed these bottom rows earlier today. But yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, I finished another row today. Today took about, I want to say 4 to 5 hours. 5 hours. My boyfriend helped me with 3, and he used a comb. I don't know why, but whenever I use a comb, I rip my hair out. So I'm still using that crochet needle, which is fine by me. Definition. Okay. But yeah, so I will be showing you guys how I actually take it out and just when we're done with this row. Yeah. And when I get closer to the front of my head, it'll just be easier. I was combing these twists in the shower. I washed my hair. I was thinking about going back. Nope. As I wash my whole head, I do my hair like a rest for a couple of days, and start my locks right back up. Cause no, thank you. Just the tangling alone. I didn't like style it for real. It has leave-in conditioner. That's it. Nothing else in it. Okay, so it's still day 6. It's later in the day. I combed out the next row, the bottoms, so that it's easier for us to take it down. But I just want to come here and show you how I like start combing out the bottom with the crochet tool. Okay, I'm gonna show you just these 2. Sure. You need a glove. Even if you don't have eczema, you're gonna need a glove, and I'm gonna tell you why in a second. And a scissor, because some of my locks are not fully locked at the ends, but the ones on the back definitely are. Some on the top are not, but this one has like a little bud at the end, so I'm gonna cut that off. And trying to keep as much length as possible. So I'm coming to the very end. And since this is a quarantine time, so this one's like ripped inside. If it rips at the tips, I literally cut off, because this finger, these 2 fingers don't come in contact with the tool. So I'll cut off like my ring finger and put the glove part on my index finger, because we don't have enough gloves. If for this quarantine thing, I have to keep as many gloves as possible. But anyways, so this is the tool. This is the 0.6mm crochet. I got this at Joann Fabrics, but I'm pretty sure you can find it at Michael's or even Walmart too. So under the lock is kind of already like, you know, out to cut off that little piece, but I'm gonna go in. Oh, you can see what I'm doing. I'm going in from the bottom and like pulling down, like literally like using this as a pick. And I use a glove because if I don't have a glove on, my fingers will be stabbed all over, because the this is pretty sharp. And like I said already, my boyfriend has been using the comb to comb out my locks, and I've just been using this slowly. He's able to use the comb. I don't know why, but I can't use a comb that well. So I'm like, you know, it's fine, whatever, I don't care. I feel like the crochet hook does take longer to get through. Oh, also I'm doing this dry. If I do it wet, I feel like my hair sags too much and I get too much breakage. But I do start wetting my hair once I get like that much done. So make sure you're not going too far up. Like, okay, so all this is done. don't start picking up from like, okay, this is all done like right here. And this is like the next part. Right here is the next part that you need to start picking at. Don't start picking up here because you're gonna like rip your hair out. So this is really tedious. But I would rather like comb out my locks than shape my head. So I know I said I was gonna get to like here, but I'm gonna comb this bowl out too. This is how much hair I lost in the section. That was like a big like bulb, so I'm pretty sure that's where all that hair came from. This is day 6 and I am done with a little more than half my head, so I'm gonna show you. We took down, I think 16, 14 or 16. So it's currently this is day 9, but we finished day 8 yesterday, obviously. I haven't done anything new today, so this is what we got done yesterday. We got these 2 sides. Mishap here. Let's see, hold on. Mishap, okay. Anyways, like literally, my boyfriend was combing out my hair and he was like, boop, come off. I'm coming off today, so that's what happened there. But we got these 2 sides. This is almost done. I have 3 more left on the side with these 2 sides done. And then we got a section up here done, but I already washed my hair. So I washed my hair yesterday when I finished like the back half, because I wanted to wash it, deep condition it, it's dry. And I sectioned out a little piece here for test locks. So we're gonna do that today. I made the tool on Word, the tool that Queen Elaine made. I'll link her, I'll actually link her channel down in the description because she's gonna be a big help in tackling this head because I kind of want to do the same method that she did. But yeah, so I made that tool. I need to print it out so that I can know what sizing I want to make my test locks. So it's just gonna be in this little section back here. If you guys can see. Section to do those. So this part of my hair doesn't have any leave-in conditioner. These bigger chunky twists do. These don't, so I just took these out. But yeah, so I'm gonna do these 3 here and I'll be done with like these sections. And then what we have left is this top section. I think this is about 30 something. We got done with these were 16, so 13. So I didn't finish 3 of them. And then I finished 7 up here. So that's 20. So, and that was, so I finished 7 without my boyfriend helping me. We got these, 5, 8, whatever, I really don't have math right now. 11. 13. 13, wow. wow, I'm horrible. Because he's 13 as well. So he helped me with 13. And these are smaller as well, so those were a little bit harder to take out. So I'm thinking we're gonna be done if we work well today and tomorrow and Friday. I think we should be done by Friday. That's what I'm thinking. So yeah, so I'll check in with you guys tonight. I haven't started anything, so I'm going to start these 3 and get going. All right, bye. Okay, so this is day, I think 10, and I'm finally finished. We just finished like half an hour ago. I had to wash my hair and deep condition and stuff, but yeah. So, like this is a whole nother hair of head. There's a whole nother head of hair, sorry. Like that's a lot. But I didn't lose, my hair was the same from before I started locking, but I retained like a whole bunch of length. I have about, this top section is about 16 to 17 inches. I think this is like 14 to 15 inches over here. I did accidentally cut some pieces back here, so it wasn't like not as long, but my hair has never been this long. I think before I locked my hair, it was, I think 12 inches all around. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hair. So I'll do a separate video for my wash day, but I'm finally done. Took 10 days to take out. If it was just myself, it would take me much longer. My boyfriend helped me so much. Yeah, I'm very excited to start my regular girl walks later on. Probably today. Was it burnt?
Burnt the hell.
Really?
You told me you were going to be out for it.
You're right. I'm probably putting my regular walks later today.
It's already too late. That's all I know.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.